Ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes of your credit score? You check it religiously, it dictates loan approvals and interest rates, yet the inner workings of credit scores can feel like a confusing mystery. Today, let's unveil one small piece of that puzzle: who exactly calculates the credit score you see on Borrowell. For those new to Borrowell, it's a fantastic platform offering free credit monitoring and valuable tools to understand your credit health. But Borrowell itself doesn't magically generate your credit score. They partner with a credit bureau, the unsung heroes of the credit world. So, which credit bureau does Borrowell use? The answer is Equifax. Equifax is one of the major credit reporting agencies in Canada, alongside TransUnion and Experian. These bureaus collect and maintain your credit information, including your payment history, credit utilization, and types of credit accounts. But why Equifax? There are a few reasons. Widely used, the Equifax Risk Score 2.0, which Borrowell provides, is a popular choice for lenders and creditors in Canada. By showing you this score, Borrowell gives you a good sense of how you might be perceived when applying for loans or credit cards. Transparency and education. Borrowell understands the importance of credit literacy. Equifax scores are a great starting point as they're clear and easy to understand, allowing you to pinpoint areas for improvement. However, it's important to remember that this is just one piece of the puzzle. There are other factors lenders consider, and your score might vary slightly depending on the credit bureau used. For instance, Credit Karma might show a TransUnion score, which could differ from your Equifax score on Borrowell. So, what can you do with this knowledge? Monitor both bureaus. While Borrowell offers Equifax scores, consider checking your TransUnion report periodically. Services like Credit Karma can help you with this, but be mindful that they might use a different scoring model. Understand the factors. Knowing how credit scores are calculated is empowering. Delve deeper into what impacts your score. Payment history carries the most weight, followed by credit utilization and credit mix. Take action. If your score isn't ideal, don't despair. Borrowell provides excellent tools and resources to help you build and improve your credit health. Remember, a healthy credit score translates to better loan terms and opens doors to financial opportunities. Remember, a credit score is a journey, not a destination. By understanding the players involved, like Borrowell and Equifax, and taking proactive steps, you can navigate that journey with confidence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.